Good morning, children. Today, the topic of the lesson is solutions. One of the naturally existing solutions is seawater. We cannot imagine life on earth without seawater. It is a mixture of many dissolved salts only. The another one is air. Air is a mixture of many gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, etc. Okay, air is a mixture of many gases. All the life forms on the earth are associated with solutions only. Plants take solutions of nutrients for their growth from the soil only, isn't it? Most of the living, that is in living organisms, most of the liquids found in our body, okay, for example, lymph, blood, even urine are also solutions only. Okay, many of the liquids which is found in the living organisms like lymph and then urine, even blood, everything is solutions only, isn't it? And day-to-day human activities like cooking, cleaning, washing, and other activities are associated, just involving the formation of solutions with water only. Okay, and then drinks like tea, coffee, aerated drinks, fruit juices are in the form of solutions only. Now let us learn about the science of solutions. Okay, what do you mean by solutions? Define solution. A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more non-reacting substances. Okay, a solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more non-reacting substances. What is meant by homogeneous mixture? Here, all the components exist in the same phase. Okay, the same phase. That is why whole water of soft drink has the same taste throughout. Okay, so what do you mean by solution? A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more non-reacting substances. What is the meaning for homogeneous mixture? Here all the components are nothing but ingredients. What are the ingredients we are adding in that solution? Okay, so define solution. What's the answer for this? A solution is here homogeneous mixture of two or more non-reactive substances whose composition be vary within certain limits. Okay, what is the homogeneous mixture? Here all the components exist as the same phase. Okay, whether it may be solid phase or liquid phase or otherwise gaseous phase, it may be in the same phase. Okay, evenly mixed, thoroughly mixed proportion. That is called the homogeneous mixture, right? And a solution may exist in all the three states. Okay, what are the three states of matter? Solid, liquid, as well as gaseous state, right? What are the examples we can give for solutions? Salt and water, and then sugar and water, soda water. These are some of the examples for solutions. Next, we can move to the binary solution. Okay, what is meant by binary solution? Binary solution means the solution which has only two components are called binary solution, right? Or otherwise we can say a binary solution is a mixture of two components that are completely miscible with one another. That is called the binary solution. Okay, miscible means what? Mixed in all proportions, mixed thoroughly. Okay, so what do you mean by binary solution? The solution which has only two components is called binary solution. Got it, children? Okay. Let me do one activity for binary solution. Okay, for that we just take one glass beaker. Okay, and then add some water into it. and then add some salt, common salt into it, right? So this is water. Now I am going to add common salt. I am going to mix this with the glass rod. Okay. Now tell me how many components are here? One is water, isn't it? Water, one component. One component is the water, and another one I added table salt, isn't it? So totally how many components? Two components are present, isn't it? Now I am going to mix this solution. I am going to mix these two components. Okay. Mix it well. So now you can see the only one solution, isn't it? Now you can see the solution only. It is nothing but the binary solution. Salt solution is ready now, isn't it? So how many components I added? One is water, another one is salt. Okay. So salt solution is ready now. So this is the binary solution. What do you mean by binary solution? The solution which has only two components. Okay. First component is water, second component is salt. If you mix these two, you will get a binary solution. Like this, you can use instead of salt, you can use sugar also. Okay. So what is meant by binary solution? Binary solution means the solution which has only two components, that is called binary solution. Suppose if you are going to add three components, here already we added salt as well as water. If you are going to add sugar into it, means it will come three components, isn't it? Then it is called the ternary solution. This ternary solution, you will learn about this ternary solution in your higher classes. Okay. Now you just learn about the binary solution. Binary solution means the component, that is two component. Okay. A solution which contains only two components are called the binary solution. Got it, children? Shall we move to the next one? Right. Next we can move to the components of a solution. Okay, components are nothing but ingredients. What are the ingredients we are going to add in a solution? That is called the component. First one is solute. Okay, solute. First one is solute. The component which is dissolved is called the solute. Okay, what do you mean by solute? The component which is dissolved is called solute. And the next one is solvent. Here, solvent means the medium in which solute is dissolved is called the solvent. Okay, the medium in which the solute is dissolved is called the solvent. Here, what did you observe here? First one, what I added actually? Water, isn't it? Next one I added salt into it, isn't it? So the component which is dissolved is called the solute. Salt only gets dissolved, isn't it? So that salt is nothing but the solute here, and the medium in which the solute is dissolved is called the solvent. So water is nothing but the solvent. Okay, why? Because it is the medium in which the solute, that is salt, gets dissolved. So that is called the solvent. You understand the difference between solute and solvent, children? If you take this solution, here salt is the solute, whereas water is the solvent. Got it? This is also a 2-mark question. Define solute as well as define solvent means first you have to define the solute. Solute means what? The component which is dissolved is called a solute, whereas solvent means the medium in which the solute is dissolved is called the solvent. Here in this experiment, water acts as a solvent, whereas salt acts as a solute. Got it? Shall we move to the next one? Right. Next one, look at this diagram. So these are nothing but sucrose. Sucrose is nothing but the chemical name of sugar is sucrose. Okay. And this is the water. Okay. If you add more sucrose or if you add more sugar into water, its gaseous solution. Do you understand the concept of this diagram? Right. Next, we can move to the types of solution. Based on the nature of the solvent, we can classify the solution into three groups. Okay. So what are they? First one is the solid solution. Second one is the liquid solution. And the last one is the gaseous solution. Okay. So first one, solid solutions. Here the solvent is solid only. Right. The solvent is solid. Whereas for liquid solutions, the solvent is liquid only, and for gaseous solutions, the solvent is gas. Here we did one experiment. No, here the solvent is nothing but liquid. It will come under the second category, isn't it? For liquid solutions, the solvent is liquid. Understood? What are the three groups of solution, children? The three groups of solution are solid, liquid, as well as gas. For solid solutions, the solvent is solid. For liquid solutions, the solvent is liquid, and for gaseous solution, the solvent is gas. Got it? Right. Next, we can move to the based on the physical state, physical nature of the solute and solvent. We can classify the binary solution into 9 types. Right? How many types? 9 types. Right. Look at the board. Here, name of the solutions, solute is given, solvent is given, as well as examples also given, right? First one, we are going to see the solid solutions. Here we categorize into solid, liquid, as well as gas, isn't it? So first we are going to see about the solid solutions. So first one, solid in solid, right? So here, the solute is the solid, whereas solvent is also solid, okay? For name of the solution is solid. Here solid in solid. Solid in solid means solute also acts as a solid, whereas solvent also acts as a solid only. Okay. What are the examples? Alloys like steel, brass, German silver, solder, etc. Alloys means what? Alloys means what? It is nothing but the combination of two or more metallic elements. That is called alloys, right? So alloys like steel, brass, German silver, solder, etc. Okay. So next we can see the what a liquid in solid. Okay. First we saw solid in solid. Now we are going to see liquid in solid. Here liquid acts as the solute, whereas solid acts as the solvent. Okay. So liquid acts as the solute, whereas solid is the solvent. Examples: hydrated salts such as blue vitriol. Blue vitriol is nothing but the copper sulfate. Okay, it is blue in color, beautiful blue in color. And dental amalgam. This dental amalgam is mainly used in dentistry to fill the cavities caused by tooth decay. Okay, so here liquid is solute is the liquid, whereas solvent is the solid. Next one, gas in solid. Okay, here solute is gas, whereas solvent is the solid. Okay, here see, solute is gas, whereas solvent is solid. Examples: gases absorbed over the surface of metals such as platinum, palladium, and nickel. Okay, here it acts as a what? Gas in gas type only. Solute is gas, whereas solid is solvent. Okay, solute is gas, whereas solid acts as a solvent here. Got it, children? Understood? Okay. Right, children. Next we can move to the liquid solutions. Okay, here first one, solid in liquid. Here solid is nothing but the solute, whereas liquid is solvent. Okay, and examples: sugar, salt, under the salts dissolved in water. Whatever it may be, sugar or salt, under the salts, it is nothing but solid only. Okay, but it is dissolved in water. That's why here solvent is liquid here, whereas solute is solid. Right. Next one, liquid in liquid. Here both solute as well as solvent acts as liquid only. Right. Example: see, solute is liquid, whereas solvent is also liquid. Examples: mixture of two miscible liquids. What is the meaning for miscible? Completely or thoroughly mixed with one another. Okay, even evenly mixed throughout. So, mixture of two miscible liquids such as acetone and water. If you add acetone into water, it evenly uniformly gets mixed, right? So next one, ethyl alcohol and water. Okay, if you add ethyl alcohol into water, it also evenly what gets mixed. So these are the examples for liquid in liquid. Next one, gas in liquid. Okay, here solute is gas, whereas solvent is liquid. For example, aerated drinks. Aerated drinks means what? Carbon dioxide dissolved in liquid form, isn't it? So here gas, that is gas is nothing but what? Solute. Carbon dioxide is a gas. It is dissolved in water. So water is a liquid. That's what solvent is, liquid here. Understood, children? Yes. Shall we move to the next one? Right. Next one, gaseous solutions. Right. So name of the solution, solid in gas. Here solute is nothing but solid, whereas solvent is nothing but gas. Okay, see, solute is solid and solvent is gas. Examples, camphor in air. Camphor is nothing but solid, isn't it? So solid in gas, camphor is a solid, whereas air is a mixture of gases, isn't it? So that is gas. Or iodine in air. Okay, it is also solid. When it mixed with air means air is a mixture of gases. So this is a solid form and this is a liquid, what gaseous form, right? Next one, liquid in gas. Here solute is liquid, whereas solvent is gas. Okay, so see, solute liquid as well as solvent gas. Examples, clouds and fog. Okay, clouds are nothing but water drops dispersed in air, isn't it? Water drops, that is liquid, dispersed in air, right? So clouds means water, liquid, isn't it? It is in the form of a liquid only. So that is water drops. It is in the liquid form. When it is dispersed in air, it turns into fog, right? Fog, it is in the gaseous form. So liquid in gas, here liquid means solute is liquid, whereas solvent is gas. Examples, clouds and fog. Next one, gas in gas. Okay, here both the solute as well as solvent are both are in the same state. What state? That is nothing but gaseous state. Okay, so see, solute is gas as well as solvent is also gas. What are the examples we can say? Of course, we can give air. Air is a mixture of gases, isn't it? Like nitrogen, carbon dioxide, oxygen, etc. Inert gases, etc. Got it, children? So these are the 9 types of binary solutions. Mostly one-word answers you will get from these types. So all the 9 types you should learn, right? Next we can move to the assignment. Okay, I am going to give some questions. For that you prepare answers for the questions. Okay, and write one time. Learn and write one time. Got it? First question. Note down the questions. First question. Define solutions. Okay. Second one. What is meant by binary solution? Third one. Define solute. Fourth one, define solvent. Next, mention the types of solutions. Right? How many questions I gave? 5 questions totally I gave, isn't it? These 5 questions, for these 5 questions, you prepare answers. Okay, see the video, prepare the answers for it, and also you should write one time in your homework note. This is your assignment, children. Okay, yes, let us see the remaining things in the next class. Thank you, children.